Okay guys, we got a package. You can see from the outside, this is Voltaren again from the semi-Sevonium Turkey. Like before, this is full seal, and this is the prices we buy. We buy it for. Okay, we got some discounts. Voltaren 50 grams original. Okay, 20,000 prices. Let's open this. First, find the weak point. Don't worry, the weak point is already seen in there. So we can open in here, cut in here perfectly like this. Cut in here. This is it, Voltaren. Already seen. And we bring it out one by one. Okay, empty. And this is the Voltaren from Expired Dead. Voltaren from the Turkish. They speak Turkish. Expired Dead is 2026 November. You may be just expired that, and actually this is a brand new things, brand new. Condition is good, still on sale. 50 grams. Okay, Turkish, Istanbul, and let's see the rest of them. Okay, Voltaren Emulgel, clear. We not sell it back, we will use it because Voltaren is very effective to reduce pain in your skin, in your spine, and your muscle. Okay, all is original, it's on seal, it's made in Turkish. This is it. Thank you for watching.